Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to pair your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click pair new device at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. And after that, open the charging case. At the right side, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until this LED light starts blinking white. And now we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. Maybe I need to again tap at this button, sometimes it happened. Yeah, and as you can see we have this earbuds, so tap on them and then click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!